How to rotate and flip screen on Mac. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your Mac from the dock and further tap on the displays option. Here, as you can see, there is no option for rotation. So, the key here is while tapping on the displays option, tap on the option key on your keyboard first and only then tap on the displays option, and with this you will be able to see the rotation option. By default it is set to standard, so go ahead and tap on the standard drop down menu and choose your desired rotation, that is 90 degree, 180 degree, or 270 degree. I will select 90 degree, and with this, as you can see, the screen is rotated to 90 degree. You can change it to default anytime you want. So this is how you can rotate and flip screen on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.